Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your starred files appear right on your Dropbox home screen. If you've ever wanted to have quick access to your important documents without digging through folders, this updated feature is exactly what you need. Let's jump right in and get it set up. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're in, make sure you're on the Home tab. This is where all your recent activity and files usually show up. If you don't see anything about starred files yet, don't worry, it just needs to be enabled. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the home page. Here, you'll find an option labeled Customize. Tap on that to open up the customization settings for your home view. Inside Customize, you will see a list of different sections that can be toggled on or off. Look for the one marked Starred. This is the feature that allows you to keep your most important files and folders just a tap away. Toggle on the Starred section by tapping the switch next to it. Once you do that, it should turn on, showing that the feature will be active on your Home tab. After enabling the Starred section, don't forget to tap Save. This confirms your changes and makes sure that your preferences are updated immediately. Now, when you return to the Home tab, you'll notice a new section at the top or near your usual files, showcasing all your starred items. This makes organizing and accessing your favorite documents faster and much more efficient. Using this method, you keep your vital files front and center, eliminating the hassle of searching through folders or using the search function every time. It's perfect if you rely on Dropbox for work, school, or personal projects and want to streamline your workflow. That's all there is to it. Following these simple steps makes your starred files easy to find and keeps your Dropbox experience smooth and organized. Thanks for watching.